Hey there. Are you dealing with frustration because your payment card isn't being accepted by Temu? In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix Temu not accepting your card. This common issue can be resolved with a few simple steps so you can continue enjoying a seamless shopping experience. Step 1. Check your card information. First, ensure that all your card information is entered correctly. This might sound basic, but it's a common oversight. Double check your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back of your card. Also, confirm that the name you've entered matches the name on your card precisely. Even a small typo can prevent the transaction from going through. Step 2. Verify account and billing information. Next, verify that your billing address on the Temu account matches the address associated with your card. Mismatched addresses can lead to rejected transaction. Go to your account settings and update the billing information if necessary. This includes your street address, city, state, and postal code. Step 3. Ensure sufficient funds. Another potential issue could be insufficient funds. Make sure your account has enough balance to cover the purchase. If you're unsure, check your bank account or contact your financial institution to confirm your available balance. Remember, some banks place daily transaction limits that could affect your purchase attempt. Step 4. Contact your bank or card issuer. If everything looks correct on your end and funds are not an issue, your bank or card issuer might have flagged the transaction. This can happen with international transactions or unusual purchase patterns. Contact your bank to see if they have placed any holds or restrictions on your card. They can usually explain the problem and lift any holds quite quick. Step 5. Try another payment method. If you're still encountering issues, consider using an alternative payment method. Temu might accept other forms of payment such as PayPal, Apple Pay, or another credit or debit card. Switching to a different method can sometimes bypass the problem entirely. Step 6. Update the app and clear cache. Occasionally, technical glitches related to the app itself can cause payment failures. Ensure you have the latest version of the Temu app by checking for updates in your app store. Additionally, clear the app cache in your phone settings to remove any temporary data that might be causing errors. Step 7. Reach out to Temu for support. Finally, if none of the above steps resolves the issue, contact Temu's customer support. They can provide more detailed assistance and look into any problems on their end. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you receive, to help them diagnose the problem quickly. Experiencing payment issues can be a hassle, but following these steps on how to fix Temu not accepting your card should help resolve the issue efficiently. Always double check your details, ensure your funds are sufficient, and don't hesitate to reach out for support when necessary. By taking these actions, you'll be back to enjoying your purchases in no time. And remember, troubleshooting is key to getting your shopping experience back on track with Temu. Happy shopping!